Hi, it's Shelly and welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? In today's video, my friend and I are hitting the beach in beautiful Puerto Morelos, Mexico in the Riviera Maya. We're doing today's beach trip on a budget to show you that you don't have to spend a ton of money on a beach club to have just as great a day at the beach. We caught the local Colectivo, which costs 10 pesos each to and from the port side. Colectivos are a great economical means of transportation in Mexico. We brought a couple of beach chairs and found a lovely shady spot on the beach to settle in. Can't beat the view. Cost? 0 pesos. When you're on the beach, there are many types of vendors selling their wares, including food. This guy was selling empanadas, 3 for 50 pesos, which we shared, and they were warm and delicious. We'd each brought a bottle of water from home, so very little expense there, maybe 5 pesos tops. Life is good. It was Semana Santa week in Mexico when we were there, so lots of Mexican people hit the beach for the holidays. This group had it totally figured out. Food, drinks, and an amazing shelter that they assembled in minutes. So cool to see families spending the day together at the beach.
That's something really cool. This guy does this beach art here. It's quite intricate detail. It's pretty cool. Oops.
This guy's sand sculptures are really amazing, and he was hard at work today. So cool. Time to get in the water. The sargassum today was at a minimum and made for some amazing clear water for floating around with the sun shimmering down. This is the life. The water was refreshing and wonderful. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos on snowbird life in Mexico and Canada. Because of the holiday, there are tons of people on the beach, and the National Guard is a presence to keep everyone safe. A helicopter was patrolling the beach while we were there today. There's something about walking on the beach. It just soothes your soul. We saw a boat getting lifted into the water, and that was kind of cool. You never know what you're going to see on any given day. This day at the beach cost us 100 pesos for 2 people. Transportation, a snack, and a glorious day. Now, mind you, we didn't drink any alcohol, but if we wanted to, we could have grabbed a couple of cervezas at the OXXO for less than 20 pesos each and still had a cheap day at the beach. You really don't need to go to a beach club if you are on a budget and want to while away your way in the sand and the surf. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.